to the land.
Hi again, YouTube family and friends. Welcome back to Philippines Dreamer Reality. I thank you all for always coming to look at the videos. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, and also share with your friends and family. Thank you again.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. Oh no, it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chests. Your heart was full of dreams. It made you feel extreme. Give me a sign if you keep it in mind. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. We knew we'd be forever young. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I knew that love would never die. Now everybody's on their own. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, and maybe you would notice me. Then our eyes would meet. I would feel my heart beat when you looked and smiled at me. Back then our love was so strong. We wanted this to go on, but now it's only a pleasant memory. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, but you would not even notice me. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. We knew we'd be forever young. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I knew that love would never die. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too.
You want some food?
Hey, Wally. Crazy dog. That's a crazy Bubba right here. Crazy Bubba. Yes, crazy Bubba. You're crazy. Okay, okay, go. Go. Go drink water. Go drink some water. Go over there. Over there. Come on. Water. Right here.
Asshole. that's it. That's a 44 pound, and I come over here every week or week and a half, bring them another one, and get them water. I got them containers with water up there, and I fill up some tubs. Metal tub over here, metal tub on the other side, you can't see with the camera, at the other tank, and then a small plastic, it's like a concrete mixer, and then a large concrete mixer over here with water. So they have 4 full of water, and then one which is a large concrete mixer with food, and a small metal tub like that tub you see in front on the left of the trailer, but a smaller one with food. And then that's it pretty much. I come and check on the property, turn on the white truck, and make sure the battery, you know, charges up a little. You don't want it to die. And that's all I could do for right now. And then the pad, I think it's still pretty good. I'm gonna have to be doing some cleanup next summer or spring, depending. I need to buy a new flag. The wind ate up my flag already, but you know, it's lasted quite a long time. Well, if y'all can't hear me, I just do a voiceover. Well, that's it for now. Yeah, I get sad to leave my dogs, but there's nothing else I can do. All I can do is feed them, and they're right here on the property. And excuse me, I think my chest is a little messed up. Gotta close the gate. It's just rigged with wire right now. Yeah, all right. Sorry about the humming and stuff, guys. We're going out a different way. I can't go straight because that's sunk in the ground with the water, the erosion. Over to the right, I would get stuck in there and nobody to help me. So no thank you, sir. Somebody's been around back that way towards where I live because I see the tracks